Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to pick the 3 winners of my VIP lounge giveaway. If you wonder what's the VIP lounge, is a monthly subscriptions that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers with gift boxes, discount codes, etc, etc. Let me show you everything on my website first. Okay, so if you go to my website antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. My VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else. Beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. These designs are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address. And a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them. I'm going to showcase the papers of this month VIP lounge that all of you guys had the opportunity to win. I showcased a video in the beginning of the month. So just watch out because there will be a brand new giveaway next week. Okay guys, so for the month of October, the main collection is called Captured in Autumn. It's a very large kit. It's got lots of backgrounds and ephemera. So you've got this page here full of like Polaroid and cameras. You've got some autumn leaves. I wanted to feel very autumnal, of course, ready for the season, but not too common with like sunflowers, etc, etc. You've got a page full of tags, and each tag has got some embellishment. So you've got a vintage light, lovely butterfly, another vintage lamp, another butterfly, and then 2 more butterflies there. So love. You get another background. You can do anything that you want with these. You get a page full of embellishments. So what I did, I create some doilies. I can keep the same colors because all my papers mix and match. Okay, so if you do large projects, they all blend together. So you've got these lovely heart doilies with butterflies. Then you get a page with a scallop envelope and a pillow box, because you know my kits are always complete kits. You get gift boxes, you've got ephemera, envelope, etc. You've got a page with 4 envelopes, so you just need to fold there and you create your traditional envelopes. And then I thought to give you a background with 4 different backgrounds. This is better, amazing if you do card making, because you can just simply cut that and that is your card base, and then we do some embellishment. And I got some bits and pieces that I bought specifically for this project, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so but also you can use it like that if you do like a page, because you've got 2 different sections. It's completely up to you. Then you get a second kit. It's like a mini kit. Here there is, and it's called Spooky Tags. Okay, so you've got 2 pages. It's more for like Halloween. So you've got a witch, some potions, a lovely. Now these work great as tags, but also as a bookmark. So if you do craft fairs or anything, you can just simply cut maybe like on a purple cardstock or black cardstock and maybe like do some layering. And then a second page full of tags. So cute. I didn't overly decorate them because I want to give you something plain for you guys to maybe like put an initial for children. You know, if you do like a little sweets bags, it's completely up to you, but I think they're adorable. They're not your traditional Halloween colors because I like the pink and the white, and of course you got your orange, but yeah. And then you also get a template gift box for you to make it up. So you get an assembly instruction page when I can see the front letter, the reverse letter, the back, and then all the little tabs to make it up. Okay, so you got them printed like that, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what it looks like when it's all done up. So you got the front R and the back raw and all the tabs. And on this page I gave you some ephemera, so you've got some circles, some little embellishment, some page flags. So yeah, you get a little bits and pieces as well, because I had quite like half of the page for empty, like for free, so I thought let's add some more. But yeah, this is what you need to make it, you know, all the letter up. Also, you get a private video, step by step, how to put the letter together. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, and this is what the letter R looks like when it's all done up. And it stands perfectly straight. Okay, let me show you the entire complete alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, then I got letter O, P, Q, and R. Okay, the VIP members get this letter each month for free, but of course you can purchase all the alphabet actually from letter A to the letter M on my website as well. But again, one of the perks for my VIP lounge is that you get those letters for free, 1 a month. Let's now pick the 3 winners of this month giveaway. Okay guys, so let's pick the winners. As usual, if you're familiar with my channel now, I always use pickawinner.com because it's a completely random comment picker. What I simply do, I insert the link of the giveaway video and then automatically pick the winner. So it filters the comments and takes spam off as well. So let's pick. So good luck everyone. So winner number 1 is Annette Goldberg 5126. So congratulations Annette. I don't think you ever won before, so I'm very happy that you did. Winner number 2 is Lalagamba 13. Lovely long message, and always leave me a nice quote, which is really appreciated. And then winner number 3 is Black Coffee Wild and Flowers. Now this is Tamara already part of the VIP membership. What a fabulous autumn kit. I cannot wait to start printing. You never fail with an amazing kit. Always happy being part of the VIP. Love and light. So Tamara, you already have the kit, but congratulations anyway. So the 4th winner is Kathy Sexton 4554. beautiful as always. I think this is the third month in a row where Kathy is winning. So I'll let her go in this time. But yeah, Kathy, this is your third time lucky. Okay, guys, congratulations to the three amazing winners, and a big thank you to every single one of you for participating to my giveaway. As I always say, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you, at least every month. I give the chance for you guys to win something in exchange for your love and support, and it's really, really much appreciated. Guys, if you like this video, please consider leaving a very big thumbs up, because it really supports with my journey here on YouTube. I will see you on Friday for a fabulous Friday freebie, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.